Okay, I'm going to continue along with activity 1, and we're going to try to continue to put different metals into our solutions. So up next, I'm going to put in copper, and you're going to record what you see happening. Okay, so I'm going to click this button, and what do we notice when we put copper into these different solutions? It says now you can remove the metals from the solutions and record. Okay, and so what we see a reaction right here with the silver, but we did not see reactions in the first 3. Okay, I'm going to try to repeat this experiment with zinc. Take some time. We remove them. Okay, where did we see reactions occurring? You're going to record your observations. I would also record what colors you're noticing, because that gives us an idea of what solid metal do we have on the surface of this. This is zinc right here, and we seem to have gained some mass and plated on some metal here. What metal is that? And the color gives us a clue. Same with here, okay? And then finally, we're going to try with the silver. And I put my silver metal into the different solutions and remove them. And what do we see happen? Doesn't look like much of anything happened, okay? So you're going to record all of these observations and be thinking about what's happening at a molecular level. Maybe we want to go back and just look at another example here. Here would be a good one that we could look at an example of. If I look at what happens when I put my zinc into copper, for instance, and this was one where we saw a pretty noticeable color change. Again, what we're seeing is a redox reaction. It's an exchange of electrons. And what we see is that some of the copper ions converted into atoms, some of the zinc ions converted into ions, and that's because they've exchanged a pair of electrons. Okay, so be thinking this entire time about which species is gaining electrons and which species is losing them, and this is an oxidation reduction reaction.